What to do if you suddenly feel a pull on your leg. You may feel severe tension and pain in the leg muscles. It causes sleeplessness due to pain. It is difficult even to move the legs. What can you do at such a critical time? 1. Immediately massage the sore muscles with your hands. If possible, wrap ice in a cloth and massage it. 2. Try to tighten the muscles. 3. While sitting or lying down, keep your legs straight and try to pull your toes inward. If the pain decreases a little, you can pour warm water with turmeric on the affected area. You can also give it hot. Increase the level of any exercise gradually. Even if you work standing or sitting in a row, change the position of your feet occasionally. 4. Drink plenty of water daily and maintain a balanced diet. 5. Sometimes in these cases, apart from the pain and tension in the legs, the muscles of the legs may feel like they are tied. 6. Turn and massage the opposite side where the tension falls. 7. Quinine 300 mg. The village will not be played again and again at night. 8. Electrolyte potassium, sodium, calcium can be checked in the blood. 9. Don't forget to check blood glucose for diabetes.